This Goodman GPG 133070 from 2013 has been giving me a little bit of aggravation. The customer stated that it did not run heat and the house got cold. I come out here and it had started to run just prior to my arrival. I allowed the system to run for a good 30 to 45 minutes and had no issues whatsoever. I did notice a little bit of debris in the inducer pressure switch hose, which fell out when I pulled the hose off to check it. And during my testing, the pressure switch did not drop pressure below the setting. As soon as I packed up my crap and was getting ready to pull away, she called me and said that it had stopped running again. I walked over and it was running again. Went ahead and let it run for a little while longer and tried to give it a chance to fault, and I got a pressure switch fault. Once again, the pressure switch did not see less pressure than necessary. So I've got a pressure switch and a couple other parts because I can't at this moment be sure what exactly is wrong until I can get it to prove itself. But we'll see if we can narrow it down and show you guys what's going on. It would appear that the system has just satisfied, and I did notice that we had some pretty ugly damage to the low voltage wiring, but nothing has blown a fuse or tripped that out. The pressure port is clear and there is no debris in the pressure inducer port hose. So I'm gonna pull power and fix that wiring and see if maybe there is some damage on the back of the circuit board or something like that. That is good enough for me.